Oh, what will I show? This one? Like this?
Yes.
You wait. Here. Just like that?
Am I done now?
Not standing? Oh, siyan. Oh.
Okay. No.
Oo.
No, I'm just. Are we ending our live stream now?
You put the wings up. Oh, no gun?
That's very annoying.
Annoying.
Moving parts. What do we have? It's not our best looking. Stop that.
Dalawa kasi natin eh. 1 to 2.
How about now?
How about the other one? Why like that? Okay. Oh! Oh! Put it down!
Very annoying. Come on.
Stand.
Stop! It's so very annoying. I'm gonna end this live stream now.
Don't touch it. I will do.
It's been 3 hours.
Because you don't put it properly. Where is this? This one where?
This thing's so annoying because it removed easily.
Aluin mo ate. Aluin mo mukha. Ano kasama sa mga suit ba? Aluin mo mukha.
Oh, you sit down here.
No, I'm gonna.
Because they're looking for you. Where is he? See?
Ate, nagawa niyo. Kasi ganyan. Ayaw nga ng butasan. Isa pa. Pero magawa ate.
Finally, it's finished. Where do I put this?
Wala nga daw eh.
Are we gonna end this live stream now?
No. I will continue my live stream.
Forever.
No, it's done. No more. No need for you. I'm done. You are done to do your assembly. So I will just focus here and put this one like this.
Can I play PS4 now?
No PS4.
Stop lying, Dada! Stop lying! You have to stop lying! Stop lying!
Hindi ako.
Hindi ako.
Stop this! No! Fuck you! I am a fucking pussy! Say it's annoying! And I'm proud! Are you gonna play it?
Move.
Did you pause it?